Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video that is about describing a part-time job which I've done. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak in this video, and I hope you will understand like how a beginner speak, and you can build a confidence in yourself, and you can start speaking fluently once you've done the practice of English language. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So it was a time around 2019 when I was uh, enrolled myself in college, and after completing like 4 to 5 months I was looking for a part-time job where I can basically manage my college expense by myself, because I'm a undergraduate person, and I want to basically manage my expense myself. So I just got a suggestion from one of my friend that there is some sort of vacant position in one call center basically, where I just got selected, and it was a basically a project based job where I worked around 6 months, and after completing my college I went there basically. After completing my college in a day, I just went there for like 5 to 6 hours and just completing my job as well, and that is basically about providing information to the customers regarding meeting or any updates we need to provide to customer, and for that we get paid. So it was a very a great experience, because in college life, if you just doing both things, that is very good for your future. So that is how I prepared, and I just save some sort of money by myself, and if I need some sort of things I can bought it by working. And along with that I'm focused enough to basically do my studies along with that, because if you are didn't have any sort of things nowadays, if you don't have the market knowledge, so after completing your graduation you cannot able to get any kind of job. So it is also helped me to get some sort of job in after completing my graduation, and the part-time jobs gives you edge basically once you done the graduation. And along with that it's basically teaches you like how important education would be, because once you like enroll yourself, you are taking things casually, right? So that is the things. After working I realized that education is something that will lead you to a successful person, and you can basically understand a lot complex thing in a very simpler way. So this is all about the cue card which I've spoken in today's video, and yeah, I'm pretty much excited and basically ready to help people who's over like want to basically speak English. And yeah, today I'm going to also share one thing which is about like one movie which I watched was today, and that is about the Margie the Mountain Man. And I just got motivated too much. And so yeah, sometimes if you have got less if you are not basically getting the motivation towards working in your work, so you need to check out some sort of motivational movies which is related to your work, and which will help you to dedicate yourself in one single way. So it was a very great movie, and if you want to watch, you can watch it, like how much struggle a person can take, and he can basically believe in him. After believing in himself, basically he can do whatever he can basically believe. So yeah, on this video that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.